Xiaomi has just added another gem to its portfolio of budget smartphone. The new models will be the first to feature Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Xiaomi has officially unveiled the design of its 15 flagship smartphone, with the Xiaomi 15 sporting a completely flat display, giving them a seamless look. Being a flagship, the phones come in a flat design with a flat middle frame and back panel. Additionally, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset powers both models. It delivers a 56% improvement in graphics performance. The Xiaomi 15 Pro might come with a 16 mAh silicon carbon anode battery. The camera setup on the Xiaomi 15 Pro will likely include a 50 megapixel main sensor. That's all for now and thanks for watching.